Acha niwaambie hii, maybe kuna mtu itasaidia. Sometimes when you are extremely happy, don't make lifetime decisions. Compose yourself, then make the decision. Acha nirudie tena. Sometimes when you are extremely happy, don't make lifetime decisions. First compose yourself, then continue with the decision. Hii inapelekana na gani? When you are so much in love, wakati uko na mapenzi sana, fikiria sana hiyo decision nataka kumake. Unaona hiyo hatua unataka kuchukua? Fikiria sana. Fikiria sana. Kwa sababu kuna mtu atalia. Nimewaambia. Haya.